NumPy provides several powerful tools for performing set operations on arrays. One of the most useful is the function called np.intersect1d. It allows you to quickly find common elements between two arrays, just like finding the shared items between two sets in mathematics. Understanding this function helps simplify comparisons and data filtering when you work with numerical or categorical data in Python. The function np.intersect1d is used to identify elements that appear in both arrays. It automatically sorts the result, removes duplicate values, and returns the unique entries found in both input arrays. This makes it ideal for data comparison, filtering, and any operation where you need to find overlapping values across different datasets. For example, if two arrays represent separate lists of user IDs, the intersection will reveal the users that exist in both lists. The syntax of the function is written as np.intersect1d, followed by the first array and the second array inside parentheses. Optionally, you can include parameters like assume_unique, set to either true or false. This function returns an array containing all unique elements that exist in both input arrays. If assume_unique is set to true, NumPy skips the internal duplicate removal step, which can speed up performance when you already know your arrays contain unique values. The first parameter, a r1, represents the first array, and a r2 represents the second array. The parameter assume_unique is a Boolean value that, if set to true, tells NumPy that the arrays already contain unique elements, improving performance. Another optional parameter is return_indices. When set to true, the function also returns the indices of the common elements from the original arrays. Understanding these parameters helps you use the function efficiently depending on your data requirements. Suppose you have two arrays, one containing the numbers 1 through 5 and another containing the numbers 3 through 7. When you apply np.intersect1d to these arrays, the result will be an array containing the numbers 3, 4, and 5. These are the elements that appear in both arrays. This demonstrates how easily NumPy identifies the intersection between two sets of data using only one simple command. If you already know that both arrays have only unique values, you can add the parameter assume_unique equals true to make your code faster. For example, if one array has the values 1, 2, 3, and another has 3, 2, 1, using assume_unique equals true tells NumPy to skip duplicate checks. The function still finds the same intersection values, returning 1, 2, and 3, but it does the work more efficiently. The function np.intersect1d has many practical applications. It can compare two datasets to find overlapping entries, such as shared user IDs, product identifiers, or matching labels. It can filter arrays to keep only elements that appear in both reference and test lists. In machine learning, it helps identify common features between training and testing data. It is also useful for cross-checking data integrity, reducing redundancy, and validating that two datasets share consistent records.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.